PMS 12 hours. Because PMS also sleep.
Our principal and
DepEd,
teacher
Don, politician in
are
schools.
feeling pressure and harassed.
PDEA, NAB drug syndicate. El Nino drying up farmland in the Philippines. Tips on how to avoid heat stroke. Judian Santos, pregnant. Ryan Pacquiao after his fight with Clotty.
Education Secretary Manduas urged the Commission on Election to file complaints against candidates who violate election laws. Exclusive report from Aldrin Galay.
Secretary Bantuas made a challenge after noting the continued proliferation of election propaganda such as posters, banners, and tarpaulins in school premises which the Department of Education have declared off limits to politicians. DepEd strictly banned campaign materials on the school premises. It is against the rulings of COMELEC, especially that the schools was used as a polling precinct and the teachers served as Board of Election Inspectors. Secretary Bantuas disclosed that some teachers and school principals sought his help to properly address the problem after they were threatened by supporters and even the candidates themselves when they ordered the removal of campaign paraphernalia. DepEd Secretary said COMELEC should act promptly and decisively and set an example to send a clear message to candidates and their supporters that the full body will not tolerate any wrongdoing. At the same time, Secretary asked government officials seeking elective posts to spare the schools from politics.
But the COMELEC will file complaints against candidates who violate election laws, and will the politicians follow the order of DepEd? This is Aldrin Galay reporting on PMS 12 hours.
Agents of Philippine Drugs Enforcement Agency arrested two alleged middlemen of marijuana suppliers in the Las Piñas and distributors in Central Luzon. Here is the report of Mayan Deluta. Mayan.
Go. Go. Action. Action.
At around 5 p.m. at the bus station, last lunch of the day. Chai, Frank, Adolta, and Tabaco were serving marijuana, with being up weighing a total of 8 kilograms, were with reportedly at 6 volumes of 200
Up next on PMS 12 hours.
El Nino drying up farmland in the Philippines. Tips on how to avoid heat stroke.
Get out!
Three. Go.
Ice water.
Nice water, only 1 peso, freedom from thirst.
Yan.
El Nino hits Northern Luzon. Exclusive report from Jerry Liro. Jerry, pumunta ka pa kayo dito.
El Nino drying up farmlands in the Philippines. Intense heat is drying up farmlands.
Intense heat is drying up farmlands, reservoirs, and waterways all over the Philippines, and the farmers are scrambling to find ways to cope and survive. With the lack of rainfall and irrigation water, Filipino farmers are keeping a closer watch over their fields so that whatever available water is used.
Do you know that El Nino is a Spanish word which means the boy? Because it refers to the Christ child, because periodic warmings in the Pacific near the South America is usually noticed around Christmas. And La Nina is a Spanish word which means the girls. Back to you.
Some tips on how to avoid heat stroke from Vicente. Para saan yan?
Mag-ending pa eh, no? Kumending pa.
Layo lang! Huwag ka na lapit! Mamukulang ko pala.
Yan, takpan mo mukha mo. Takpan mo mukha mo ng ano payong.
Tawa lang ako. Sabi yung picture mo dyan, no? Ano bang ayun?
Para ba with Miss Judy Ann? What do you